Ira Alma presents Bosnian Dictionary. This is our third edition, and you're gonna learn some words that you could use in a restaurant. Are you ready? How much is?
Koliko to košta?
I would like.
Željela bih.
Thank you.
Hvala.
Please.
Molim vas.
A drink.
Piće.
To eat.
Jesti.
Now you can order cevapi or a coffee if you want in the local language. Isn't that exciting? Ciao ciao and stay tuned for the next Bosnian Dictionary video.